How much should a LDR boyfriend send their Filipina monthly? Do you think there's many Filipinas out here scamming foreigners to send money? Hi! Welcome back to the Fuentes Family Channel, and again, this is Lorie. In today's video, we are going to ask Filipinas from Legazpi City, Bicol, Philippines, how much should a LDR boyfriend send their Filipina? Let's find out. Enjoy the interviews. What is your name?
I'm Cheryl Haji.
Cheryl, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How are you today, Cheryl?
I'm doing great.
You're doing great.
Yeah.
I'm so happy to hear that. I have a friend from college. Her name is Cheryl as well. She's very smart. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
I'm single.
Single. How long have you been single?
Maybe 3 years.
3 years. Okay. What course are you taking?
BS in nursing po.
Nursing. So you're gonna be a nurse.
Yes.
Wow, that's very beautiful. How much should a LDR boyfriend send their Filipina monthly?
No amount.
No.
It's about the effort of the guy and the time he spent to the girl.
Mhm.
That's all.
Wow, that's a very beautiful answer. Okay, how about, since you said no amount, right? How about to those couples, okay? Those foreigners who are sending money to their Filipina girlfriend. Do you think it's really their responsibility to send money?
No, it's not their responsibility. It's ano lang, sa guy, if he want to spend, to give money to the girl, it's okay. Pero pag hindi, the girl must not, um, yung pilitin yung ano, yung guy na
So if it's not really needed, right? Okay. And the girl should not ask or, keep on
yes,
begging
ask.
her.
begging for money.
Yes, I see. For the last question, do you think there's many Filipinas out here scamming foreigners to send them money? And in reality, they're married already.
Sa social media, I have a lot of nakikitang mga Filipina nag-scam to sa foreigners na ano nga yun?
Okay, so she said that in social media, she saw a lot of Filipinas scamming foreigners, and
There's a lot.
there's a
Lot.
lot.
Yes.
Okay. Why do you think they're scamming foreigners to send money?
Here kasi sa Philippines, there not all, not in general po na ano, maraming maraming yung trabaho kasi medyo mahirap dito. Pero yung parang easy money for them na mag-beg, mag-scam tapos manghingi ng money to the foreigners.
I see. So for her, it's because here in the Philippines it's poor. Like, finding job is hard, and it's not, and scamming foreigners or begging money from foreigners is the easiest way to have money. So that's her opinion, like why these Filipinas are scamming these foreigners. What is your name?
Hello po. I'm Midy Bonaobra.
Migzitea?
Midzi po.
Midzi.
Opo.
That's an interesting name. Nice to meet you. You're welcome. How are you today?
I'm feeling good.
You're feeling good. How are you? I mean, how old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
22. Are you still studying?
No, I'm a registered nurse.
So you're working now?
Not yet po.
Not-
I just passed.
You just passed.
I haven't really taken an oath yet.
Wow, that is very cool. Are you gonna work here in the Philippines, or you're planning to go abroad and work there?
I'm really planning to work abroad, but if opportunity comes, I'm gonna grab
You're
it.
willing to do it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
Single.
How long have you been single?
Single.
Since birth?
I mean, there's some. Oh my gosh, if I can say, I don't know if I can say this, but mutual understanding,
Mutual understanding
Just-
only.
puppy love.
Puppy love, but never been in a
Yeah,
relationship.
seriously, never.
I see. You must be a good girl.
I really am a good
Okay.
daughter.
That's good. Okay, anyway, here's the question. How much should a LDR boyfriend send their Filipina monthly?
I think that question is really it really depends on the situation. Because for me, that question, how much? Maybe it depends on the agreement. I mean, the it depends on the situation.
What kind of situation? Like,
If the girlfriend, the Filipina girlfriend, is in need of money
mhm,
and agreed, I mean, yeah, if she asked for money,
mhm,
yeah, I mean, it depends on the boyfriend on how much he wants to give.
to give, I see. And it depends to, I think you meant like if the Filipina needs this specific amount, then
Yes.
that's it, right?
Yes, there is really no need to be an exact amount.
How about, they have not met in person yet? Okay. Do you think it's the foreigner's responsibility to send money?
In my opinion, I don't really think it is a responsibility because a relationship doesn't really have the it's not a responsibility. So I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Yeah.
When do you think is the right time for the foreigner, for the boyfriend to send money to, to the girlfriend, to the Filipina?
If the boyfriend is willing, then
If
he can
he's
send if he wants to.
If he wants to.
Yeah, not forced.
Not
yeah.
forced. That's fair enough.
Fair enough.
For the last question, do you think there's many Filipinas out there or out here scamming foreigners to send them money, and in reality they're married already?
Well, based on the news that I've been hearing about and I've been watching, yeah, there are really cases like that, which is very sad to think of.
That's true.
Yeah.
Hmm? That's
It-
very sad.
That's very very sad to think on the boyfriend's part, on the foreigner's part. I mean, not really boyfriend.
Yeah.
And it also like damages the images of the Filipinos.
Exactly.
Yes.
Definitely.
But not all Filipinas are like that.
I love that answer.
Yeah.
Would you date a foreigner?
I can never really say that yet, but I'm open.
You're open.
Yep.
What is your name?
Angel.
Angel. Wow, nice to meet you. How are you today?
Hindi naman.
She's eating, guys. Okay, she's having what is that? Macaroni cheese?
Macaroni cheese and calamares.
Yum yum yum. How old are you?
I'm 28.
28. So that means you're working already, right?
Yeah.
May we know what's your job?
Isa akong agriculturist.
Oh, so is that like government employee?
Yeah.
That's very good. Okay, are you single or you're in a relationship?
In a relationship.
In a relationship, boyfriend.
Yeah.
I see. Okay. Anyway, here is the question: how much should a LDR boyfriend send her Filipina girlfriend monthly?
Kailangan ba talaga mag-send siya? Tanong. Siguro depende siguro sa ibibigay ng boyfriend niya kung talagang kailangan.
So it depends to her girlfriend if it's like needed, right?
Oo.
Okay. If it's needed, how much do you think like should be the monthly?
Monthly, kung magjowa lang naman, siguro naman hindi naman mandatory na magbigay monthly, pero siguro kung sila naman din in the future na magkakatuluyan and tulungan siya ni foreigner, so why not? Wala naman akong nakikitang problema dun. So siguro, yung kusang loob lang na mabibigay ni
How
foreigner.
much do you think, ma'am?
Depende sa pangangailangan, maybe 1,000, 3,000, 5,000.
3,000, 5,000? 3,000 or 5,000. But what Mom Angel said is it's not really mandatory. It depends to the boyfriend if he wants to send or no. What do you call this? If it's like they feel like they're gonna be together for the rest of their lives, and then yeah, the foreigner could help her girlfriend, right? Her Filipina girlfriend, and for her, if he will send 3,000 or 5,000 if they're just like boyfriend and girlfriend, right?
Okay, yes.
Okay. So if they're married, that's different, right?
Oo naman.
'Pag, kasal naman kasi ibang usapan na 'yun. So, talagang
So,
iba na rin.
married is a different story. Okay, so that's gonna go high. Okay,
Pwede.
she said maybe. Okay, anyway, for the second question, how about if they have not met in person yet? Do you think it's the foreigner's responsibility to send money?
Actually, no.
Why? Why do you think no?
Kasi, unang-una di pa naman sila nagkikita and siguro depende na lang din sa relasyon nila kung gaano na sila katagal and kakilala yung isa't isa. Kasi 'di ba sa panahon ngayon, uso na yung scam din and, ginagamit lang din yung ibang, foreigner para makakuha ng pera. Different scenarios, different, opinion. So, siguro gano'n.
Okay, so she said first is no because they have not met each other.
Oh.
Second is it depends on how long they've been together, right?
Yes.
Okay. For the last question, do you think there's many Filipinas out here scamming foreigners to send money, and in reality they're married already?
Siguro hindi ko masabi kung talagang marami, pero may posibilidad na meron.
So she couldn't say that there's many, but there is possibility that there are really Filipinas out here scamming foreigners.
Yes, madaming gano'n kasi sa news.
And because there's many, she can hear from news, right?
Yes.
Okay. When is the right time for foreigner to send money to their Filipina girlfriend?
Actually siguro depende na lang din sa usapan nila and kung talagang kailangan naman and yung, reason is talagang valid. So, puwede and, yung sa lalim din ng relationship nila.
So it depends on the reason if it's valid, right? And it depends on how, and like what is it really for? Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much, ma'am. Salamat.
Thank you din.